We're now seeing mamas in hotels and motels who have given birth to children who are now 2 and 3 years old, still in those motels. You know, that's the sort of devastation we're seeing in this country. It's not working. Whatever we are doing is not working. We've got to change things.
And this is the consequence of government policy. We are seeing the consequence of government policy. And our dream as a challenge is that all of the amazing research we have gets into the hands of the right policy people so they can make good decisions.
Ministers need to stop and take the time to listen, put away their own solutions that they've got and spend the time. But you just can't wander into somewhere with, you know, wave your fairy wand and then get a bit shitty when people aren't grateful for the thing that you didn't want in the first place.
The state has no idea what's good for us. We have all the ideas of what's good for us. The issue that we have is the lack of treaty relationship and partnership for us to enable our own ideas, our own tupuna ancestral innovations to occur in this space.